So here's what I've been up to the last month or so, give or take, during winter weather. Just making some, how can we say, miniature scale cars. This one here I'm pretty well done with. It's hot pink. One beside it's red. It's not totally finished. Got to paint the wheels, front wheels. So I make the whole car myself. Cast it, silicone mold cast. And I cast the tires also. You can see some here, the blank. And the trick is drilling the hole in the center. That's the trick. Then painting the spokes on them, different things. Not perfection, but the ones for little kids, I actually put in Hot Wheels or Matchbox axles, just because I want to be 100% safe with them. The ones that I make, I attach them with cut off straight pin, glued in, drill a hole in the car, and then JB welded the axle in, and it works. Not always perfection, alignments, problems, etc. But anyway, you see, I really like the Inca gold color there. Blue turned out a little darker than I thought. That's, what was it, Star Spangled Blue or something? I don't know. They're testers, what are they, enamel spray paints, I guess. Then we got this one here. That car was green to start with. So, the Caribou. On primer. Painting's 3-stage. Start out, got to clean the plastic, then prime it, top and bottom, and then silver, spray paint silver, and then top coat. Most of these will be green. This one I got in a hurry. I didn't paint it silver, so the other ones will probably be a little bit brighter green than this. I don't know. It's not looking to the camera the same color it looks to my eye here. It's just the color of the lighting, because this is like hot pink and this is nice bright green. Anyway, just different views of them there. Had a few little things I had to fill in. The original car I cast from had a problem with the fender there that I wasn't completely aware of, so I had to fix that. And I had to fill the windows in, and that didn't go 100% perfect. This car here, it's a Lola. Hot Wheels, or nobody I know of, made one of these. I can show you. Here's the Hot Wheels Lola. See, it had a roof. And this one's Can-Am version, so it doesn't have the roof. But the back end of mine doesn't open up to show the motor either, so I had to basically make the whole back end on it, which wasn't easy. Haven't put any wheels on any of those yet. I'll have to do that. And of course we got Brabham Repco here. It's got Hot Wheels wheels on it. Making those very long skinny exhausts proved to be very difficult to do. Then we have a McLaren. I don't know, it's M6A or something. Yeah, I got one here, a purple one and a aquamarine. I like certain colors. There's another green one of this one. So it's fun. It's time consuming, but it's fun. So yeah, gonna give some of these to my grandkids and other kids. Just give them away. It's probably the most of these you've seen anywhere at once, because you know, these ones here, they go for like $30 a piece, up to 800. I don't know, just crazy prices. These of course would be reproductions. The bottom's not pretty. You got the casting indentation. if I don't leave an indentation, then I have to grind it off with a Dremel, make a whole lot of plastic dust, and it's not very friendly. So I'd rather have them with a little indentation in them than a. I would paint the bottom all black too. Like I say, these ones aren't 100% done. So and painting the rims is tricky too. Believe it or not, sometimes it's easiest to paint small things like that with a toothpick. You don't have to contend with the bristles of the brush. I do take a standard brush, usually tester's brushes, and chop them way down for doing small things. But lots of fun, and we get different colors and things. One thing I found critical though is to clean the plastic. My son suggested silicone mold, or not silicone cleaner, basically, that you use for cars. Clean the silicone off it, because I've had some problems with the paint sticking down at the base of the windshield on that particular one. So, but it's been a fun time, and gets me through the winter. Now that the equinox is here, we're heading out of winter, but lots of fun anyway. So just to show you kind of what I've been keeping busy at lately. So trying to be productive if I can. So everybody have a good one.